Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use console commands in Township Tale. So let's get right into it. Township Tale is currently an upcoming VR multiplayer RPG game, and it is in its pre-alpha stages, which means very early development. As such, it is prone to bugs, glitches, and the information is tentative, meaning it is subject to change. And just keep in mind that whatever I tell you in this tutorial is up to date and you should be fine. However, at the moment, what you can do to actually access the console, you can connect to it via the dashboard, and the console is pretty much a server owner only tool which you can use to enter console commands, and then through them you can modify your game in ways that are, well, maybe not legit, but in ways that you would like to test something or for any other purposes. Now, as I've said, you can connect to the console through the dashboard. That is an entirely different process of opening the actual server. If you do want, please consult the wiki as I'm doing now. You can just go to the create a server tab and everything should be explained to you perfectly. However, once you are in here, you want to open the console, and once you do, you have a syntax that you have to follow. There are set commands in the console which you can use, and each of those console commands does have a syntax, so make sure that you enter the console commands with the correct syntax, and you should be able to, for example, spawn things in your game, such as using the spawn command. The spawn command has a submodule called list, and there are materials within that list which you can use, so that is an example of a spawn command. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.